Today, I am reviewing the BSIDE SH9, a 2-in-1 thermal imager and 20,000 count digital multimeter that I purchased from AliExpress. On the thermal side, the camera uses a vanadium oxide sensor with a native resolution of 256 by 192 pixels. Thanks to super resolution, the thermal display reaches 320 by 428 pixels. The frame rate is a smooth 25 Hz. You also get dual light fusion with a visible light image, so details are easier to read in real scenes. The screen is a 3.98-inch thin film transistor capacitive touch panel with a resolution of 320 by 480 pixels. There are 15 color palettes, and you can switch them quickly by long pressing the side button. If you work on phones or printed circuit boards, the optional macro lens reveals tiny features as small as 1 mm by 1 mm. On the multimeter side, you have manual and automatic range. It measures direct current and alternating current voltage and current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, diode test, non-contact voltage, and temperature. The maximum input for direct current voltage is up to 1000 volts. For power, it uses a rechargeable lithium battery with up to 8 hours of runtime and convenient universal serial bus charging. The device supports 7 languages, and the computer software lets you transfer data, create charts, and export thermal images.